Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a box and whisker plot in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. So the dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon dataset. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that Tableau Desktop has loaded the dataset into the environment, I'm going to go to my worksheet called Sheet 1, highlighted in orange. And to create the box plot, I'm going to use the field measure against dark. So I'm going to first drag this field to rows. And now Tableau is showing me the total against dark value captured within this data set summed together. Then I'm going to use the dimension type 1. So I'm going to drag type 1 to detail. Now what Tableau is showing me is the segmentation for all the different types, like normal, ice, ground type, grass type, and so on, segmented across the bar for the total summation for the against dark measure. I can then create a box plot by clicking on Show Me in the right-hand corner, and then going to the bottom row and the option on the far right, that is the graph option for a box and whisker plot. So I'm going to click on this option, and this will change my graph that we see on screen to a box and whisker plot. So we're looking at the against dark type measure separated by the different type 1 categories, with the best type here being water, where against dark it's 116. The worst type here is flying, where the value against dark is 3. And if we hover over the box plot, it will show all the different sections. So the upper whisker, the upper hinge, the median value against dark is 36.8, the lower hinge and the lower whisker values as well. So there you have it. This is how you can create a box and whisker plot in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.